Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Apple Watch Series 4 that's 44 millimeters with a cracked display. So we're gonna replace it. So first off, this is the replacement display, and this is the Apple Watch that we're gonna fix. So first off is the meticulous process of removing the broken glass. So unlike the iPhones, this doesn't have any screws at the bottom or any part of it, and it's really sensitive to pressure, so we have to be very careful and we'll take our time. You can see there's glass falling off as we remove it from the chassis. And this is the reason why we should be careful. There's a lot of cables, flat cables that are attached to the old display. And these are the connectors. We have to free them all and then remove it one by one. And of course, pull it out firmly, but not really hurrying up, because it can damage the connectors. And we're gonna cover it with a temporary tape from a cover, like a tempered glass cover, because we are gonna take off the remnants of glass that's chips off from the main display. And of course, this is also a problem. The corner has been bent, so we're just gonna slowly pull it back out so that the replacement glass will fit in nicely in this chassis. And additional cleaning of the old adhesives. So by removing this display, we can actually replace it right away, but the cleanup and the priming before we install the new display is kind of time consuming. And here we have to put them back in all at the same time, and we should make sure that they're making contacts with the pins inside it before we lock them in. So these are the locks. So this is kind of a tricky process, but as we go along, we tend to have some techniques over it. So should you do your own Apple Watch screen replacement, I think we should just leave the professionals to do it themselves because of the risk involved, and of course the parts are smaller than your typical iPhone. We have to press them down, and we are just gonna clamp it. The rubber bands will not work on this one. And then let the adhesive cure. And then let's test charge it, and it's working. So let's just clean it up, and then it's ready to go. So if you have an Apple Watch in any series, just message us. If we have some parts for you, we'll do the fix for you. And then if you have iPhones or Androids and other smartphones that needs a screen replacement or battery replacement, you can also head on to Sydney CBD Repair Center. Don't worry, because we're all vaccinated here. And I'll just leave you with this one: how you install a plastic cover on your Apple Watch. Simple as that. So there's no tempered glass for Apple Watch, just plastic stuff like this one, and it's good to go. Thanks for joining, guys. Till next time, cheers!